They're just flying. I don't know. Oh my God. Oh, there's more. Oh, oh my God. Honey, look. Look at that. Seagulls? Holy. Oh my God. Never even thought they got that many birds. Oh. Seagulls.
Basically, you earn the spot in the top 4%.
Oh my, look at all these Canada geese. There's so many. I'm just gonna stop by here while I'm driving. Oh, look at that. It's a lot of them. I think, yeah, I think she got two babies.
That's her two babies, yeah.
Oh, look at the running. Oh,
Hi, guys. Whitetail up in the air.
yeah,
That's
whitetail.
whitetail.
It's a
That's two
whitetail.
muleys. Whitetail baby got caught up in there. They're
Mm-hmm.
not two muleys. That's whitetail, and those two muleys.
Yeah.
They could call it shade color and bigger.
They know where to go to
She
hub.
must have picked up the baby somewhere along the line.
They know where to go to
So
eat
that's
food.
whitetail, that's two muleys. Back on whitetail, and that's two muley deer.
Mm-hmm. Just coming from the other side, eh?
Well, walking down here. So, they're protected here.
Mm-hmm.